Today we're going to be learning how to create the natural shape of the head on a flat surface. So today we're learning that because we have a flat shape here, we're going to create the C shape, which is actually the curvature of our client's head. So come with me. So we're going to create a blend within a blend. Our first foil here is going to be the first part of our blend. So for those at the table, we're going to hold at the top. We're going to saturate our brush on one side, clean on the other because clean work is important. We're going to go up to the top. We're going to brush down nice and flat, and we're going to C-shape off. So we're going to go back for more pigment, flat because we want to cover the entirety of the surface nice and even, and then we're going to C-shape off. And then start a little bit lower. There we go. Until we just kind of get to the end there, and you can see how nice and soft that is. Now, that is the opposite of coming down like this. This is what our body naturally wants to do, but in order to create a blend without moving pigment around or using our fingers and doing this, we're just using our brush in a soft C shape. C shape means curvature and movement. This means square and hard lines. All right? Let's see you guys do it. How was that? So to create a perfect blend, you don't have to work so hard. With the foundation that we set up, we're going to actually be creating a blend within a blend. So we can count on the hair only absorbing so much color. So when we put this color here and you can see these striations of light color in between dark, we know that where it's dark, the color will not absorb. And because this is a lighter variation of the same tone, when I apply in a straight line and I go down, only the blonde hair can absorb color, meaning that this hair right here will be nice and blended without us having to do blending techniques such as moving color like this or opening the hair like this or feathering it in like that. At the end of the day, we're working too hard.